Is it?
You can do everything here, you know.
Yeah, it's much nicer. Maybe tourist office.
It's good. No rain clouds. It means swim.
Fine. Sparhorn. Lithuania, but named different. You see Matterhorn? Blessed, yeah.
We call it like powder sugar, and it's like
Powder sugar.
yeah.
Going to do some tea break and short drone video.
Always take care of holes. Sometimes there's holes, huh?
Perfect.
Man, what a panorama, man. Now you know why it's called Belle Alp. No? Man, this is crazy. You know what? That I manifested psychedelics and you brought them. Aquifer.
It's actually a Lithuanian word, but they just translate it to all the other languages. And now they say international. You knew this?
No wind, the wind, because the wind is coming from the glacier.
The poop looks like Maltesers.
Yeah, it's right.
Like a Lithuanian Swiss chocolate, yeah? Yeah, I see myself, man, but look, it's far, right? You see it like the circle between the big rock, right?
Yeah, mirror or a circle?
A mirror.
No, I see circle. Yeah, nice circle.
We're lucky.
No, we're not lucky. We took some conscious decisions towards the luck, you know?
Reminds me of Bear Mountains. When you go up, you see like this big valley. Now, hello.
Of the UFO cloud.
Fusion reaction there, right?
Making love.
Nice. There is what? Let's go. Let's go, man. Don't worry. Nice.
This shoe, man. It's like a Japanese tourist, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah. You're like a Japanese. You cannot put this on video.
Like what?
You cannot put this on video, otherwise you
What?
get cancelled.
A Japanese tourist? We don't care about it. We are Japanese tourists.
Yeah, show your shoes. Show. If this...
You can see the glacier, bro. Oh, the town? This is the brig?
Oh.
This is beach.
Yeah, something like this. Not like...
Careful, bro. I like it. Film whatever you can. Already on.
It's on.
I have some before. Try to get the lift off. That small little housey over there. Let's hope there's no earthquakes. What we just got ourselves is a new battery and full power on the drone and on the camera. So new batteries, new battery for the drone, new battery for the body.
You know Edelweiss?
Edelweiss. This is Edelweiss?
I don't know. We're gonna tell the editor that he's gonna put the right name under it.
This is Edelweiss.
But normally it's used for agriculture.
Yeah.
And for showering and stuff, you know? For flushing your fucking toilet and stuff, you know?
So from the tap it's not the same water that you shower with.
Depends. Depends your house.
I also have a booger here.
Okay, nice.
You need to clean it. Nah, it's good. We're filming reality, yeah?
Yeah, it's uncut raw.
Uncut raw. That's how we like it.